Ciao Tesla people. So the event of yesterday got done, and the Tesla unveiled a RoboTaxi, a RoboVan, and some updates on the Optimus. Okay, around the RoboTaxi will be available for sale under 30K. That's in the future. We don't know when will be available, and it's going to be in production by 2026, 2027. That's what I mentioned on last Supercharger talk. Okay, so also they were mentioned that they got a fleet of 50 at the event, and then they will expand the fleet. And then by next year, there will be available FSD level 4 in California and Texas with the Model 3 and Model Y, and eventually the RoboTaxi. Of course, this is pending authorization and all that stuff, okay? But FSD is on track to get to FSD level 4. And they mentioned that Model 3 and Model Y are capable of autonomous driving, which is going to be really cool. So this RoboTaxi is going to be cheaper to produce, has only 2 seats, has wings, doors, not like a Model X. They open towards the front, and you see on the pictures. By the way, all the pictures I got it on the internet, so from other people, so all the rights are their rights, they're not my pictures, okay? So just want to get that out there. Another thing that I mentioned, that most of the time these cars will be standing by, so not used, which means all the distributed computing that they are capable, would get an Amazon Web Services type of thing, which means that they will use the computing on this car for other services, okay? Of course, there was a demo, and people got a ride on the RoboTaxi to go around the Warner Bros. Studios. There are some locations, 2 or 3 locations, and you can just select on the screen where to go. What else? The RoboTaxi doesn't have a steering wheel, doesn't have pedals. Basically, everything is autonomous. We didn't see the frunk, but we saw the trunk. It will have inductive charging. There are no plugs on the car to charge, so it will have inductive charging. They just mentioned it, they didn't showcase, and so we don't know the details, speed of charge and all that stuff. We actually don't know even how many motors this car has. Most likely it's just one. And then out of the blue, they showcase a RoboVan that fits 20 people and could carry goods, okay? And very futuristic. They had white seats. This too doesn't have a driver, doesn't have a steering wheel, and doesn't have pedals. This one didn't go around with people. They could just people could just sit inside and check it out. Very, very futuristic. Very interesting. And then they talk about Optimus. They showcase Optimus going around the people. You could ask questions. They pour some drinks. They got the Optimus some dances and stuff. So there are progress on that side too. Now, there are some comments going around that, for example, Optimus would be the best product ever. That's what Elon Musk mentioned. And then 8 billion people wanted one, okay? Okay, on this, there is a discussion to be made because not everyone can afford this kind of products. And some people most of the people don't have a use for it, at least for now. Okay, so very optimistic type of thing. And there are no infos for the RoboTaxi. There are no infos on how it's made. Most likely is still in aluminum, like a Model Y. It's smaller than a Model Y. You could compare it because they were going around with Model Ys, but there were no people inside the Model Ys. So they basically were showcasing FSD level 4 autonomous driving. So we don't know the technical details of this RoboTaxi beside 2 seats, no steering wheel, and no pedals. There were the cameras that we saw in some previous pictures, but we don't know the motors, the power, the speed. We don't know the battery size. We don't know how long it will take to charge. If it has a regenerative braking for sure. What else? The wheels were 21 inches in the back. In the front, I didn't notice. Most likely it's 20, something like that. So these are all the details. You saw the pictures, the slide show that I show you. There are a bunch of other pictures, of course, going around because there were 2,500 people attending this event. So lots of people took pictures and videos, and they are going around. Some are very, very interesting. The ride, most of the people that ride were amused. It was really cool. Of course, we don't know the business model they're going to do it. Most likely first Tesla and then open to others. They will run a business, I guess, of RoboTaxi. Oh, one thing that they show is a robot arm cleaning the inside. So with the Hoover and cleaning the screen. They said that it's going to have inductive charging, but they didn't show it. So we don't know anything about that. So how much does it charge? How fast? And how long is going to be available for the ride? So the autonomy, we don't know that. Okay. So it was a cool event. I didn't get up at 4, but I saw all the videos this morning. Yeah, it's very interesting. So RoboTaxi, it was mentioned at Cybercab many times, and RoboVan, a doubt on how you say, because Elon Musk said it in another way instead of RoboVan, but yeah, whatever. Optimus. There were some updates showcasing going around with people, and that's it. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and if you like the video, please let me know what you think about this RoboTaxi, RoboVan, and Optimus. And if you buy a Tesla, please use my referral. It's down in the description. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, Tesla people.